What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some practice questions regarding multiplying square roots. The first example is root 2 times root 8. The answer will be root 2 times root 8 is going to be root 16, and root 16 is 4. Next example is root 6 times root 6. Answer is root 6 times root 6. The answer is going to be 6 times 6 is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. Next example, we have root 7 times root 14. Answer is root 7 times root 14. It will be root 98. Root 98 is the same as 49 times 2, which is going to be root 49 times root 2. Root 49 is 7, so it's going to be 7 root 2. Next example, we have 3 root 3 times 2 root 18. The answer is 3 times 2 is 6. Root 3 times root 18 will be 54. And 54 is, we need to take this perfect square out of it. So 54 is 9 times 6. So it's going to be 9 times root 6. Root 9 is 3. So 3 times 6 is 18 root 6. Next example, we have 3 root 2 times 2 root 32. Answer is 3 times 2 is 6. Root 2 times 32 is 64, and the square root of 64 is 8. So 6 times 8 is going to be 48. Next example, we have 4 root 8 times 5 root 8. Answer is 4 times 5 is 20. Root 8 times root 8 is going to be 8. So 20 times 8 is 160. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.